Role of Project Manager. The project manager is the person who is assigned by the performing organization to lead the team. Project manager is responsible for achieving the project objectives. Project managers are responsible to manage the project processes and apply tools and techniques to carry out the project activities. Good project managers should have a variety of skills. A project manager's typical responsibilities are as follows. Plan and organize the work. Manage the day-to-day activities of a project. Deliver the project deliverables to the client, and identify potential stakeholders. Effective project management requires that the project manager possess the following competencies. Knowledge. What the project manager knows about project management. Performance. What the project manager is able to do or accomplish with his project management knowledge. And personal. How the project manager behaves when performing the project or related activity. Interpersonal skills of a project manager. Project managers accomplish work through the project team and other stakeholders. Some highly desirable interpersonal skills of a project manager are leadership, team building, motivation, communication, influencing, decision-making, political and cultural awareness, negotiation, trust building, conflict management, and coaching.